Alright, so welcome back to our live. This is our main event.
Let's go, Trey!
Ayan, ito ang ating last game this season sa elimination round. This is battle between the Ateneo de Manila University versus our Xavier School, the 2014 division. Ayan, muli shoutout po sa pamilya Tan. Ayan, kalamang Gina Ong Tan and Sir Erwin Tan and the rest of the parents of our Xavier School. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta. First ball makukuha ng Xavier. Oy, no good. Oh, steal. Ayun na ang Ateneo. Running shot. Missed. There's a foul.
Nice, Trey! Nice, Trey! Yan na nalabas nila. Dapat tipid. Dapat na,
Second shot is good. Titus. Pass to DeAndre. Mark. Steal number 2.
Hands up! Hands up! Honesty lang, Trey! Tigil! Tigil!
And that's a travel. Fisher scores 2-0.
Oy!
Oy, bad pass.
Deny the ball, Trey!
Here comes the Ateneos setting on the play. Number 1. And number 2, kick out. Gets the 3. No good. Rebound by number 15. Steal. Makuha ni DeAndre. Pass to Jaco. Yang. Crossover. Jaco. Extra pass. What a save by Evo. Pinagay sa corner for 3. Too strong. Oy, last touch. Good hustle for Jaco Yang.
Move! Move!
Evo running a shot and gets the foul. 2 shots for Evo. The shot is good. Second shot for Evo. No. Oopsie.
Yellow ball!
Yellow ball. DeAndre. Pass to Jaco. In and out. Rebound by Gray. Gray will save. Gray. Pass to Jaco. To Evo. Nabitawan. Makuha natin Ateneo. Outlet pass number 2. Blocked by DeAndre. Titus. Nakalusot. Pass to Evo. Jaco out of bound. Last touch. Blue ball.
Honesty lang, Trey!
Ayan na. Ang pressure defense ng ating Xavier.
Don't reach! Don't reach! Don't reach!
Good defense. Naitawid. Number 1. Step back 2. No good. Another rebound for Ateneo. Number 13. Oh, there's a foul.
Ay, wala!
comes Jacob. Yang. Pass to you to Gray. Jump shot. No good. Rebound ng Ateneo. Number 2. Hook shot. Miss. Rebound by Evo. Evo. Pass to DeAndre. You. Last touch. Jerwin, pass to Evo. Evo, basket for Evo. That's Evo U. Ay na ang Ateneo. Number 5, pass number 1. Number 5, kick out, gets the 30, short, rebound, number 5. That's a foul. Ay, thank you po. Thank you po. Thank you po. Thank you po. Thank you. Thank you, Ma'am Dix. Time remaining 4 minutes and 22 seconds. Number 5. Basket. All 4-3. Let's go. Titus. Cross-court pass. Jaco. Up and under. Drop pass. Evo. Oh! Basket for Evo. You. 5-4. Change favor. In favor na. San Xavier. Number 5, setting on the play. Ooh. There's a foul, number 7. Time remaining 3 minutes and 36 seconds.
Uy, sinito na naman.
Samson. Ooh. There's a foul. Let's go. 3 shots for number 13. Wala. Second shot is good.
Baba.
Jaco Yang. Basket is good. Nice move for Jaco. Number 5, Bessie. The Gray, number 1, umatake. Whoa! Nakabawi ang Ateneo doon. Titus to Gray. Gray. Pass to Jaco. Fake. Jaco. Nice move. Wala. Rebound. Evo. Wala. Rebound ng Ateneo. Pass to number 5. Pass number 1 to number 13. Fake. Block. Rebound by Jaco. Walang tawag ang referee. Samson, drop pass. Uy.
Rep, dito.
9-7 ang ating talaan. Let's go. Xavier. Oh. It's a jump ball. Bola rito ng Ateneo. 1 minute and 40 seconds.
Dre, careful sa foul, ha? Yun lang. Yun lang. Nice one, nice one. Lapit.
Number 5. Fake.
Hands up lang, hands up lang. Hands up!
Up and under. Kick out. Gets the 3. Wala. Rebound. Makakuha rito ni DeAndre. Nice move by DeAndre. DeAndre. Outlet pass to Jerwin. Jerwin. Ooh, there's the foul.
Dre, ingat sa foul.
1 minute and 10 seconds. Kick out. DeAndre floater, no good. Let's go, defense. Samson. Guy, tumira sa tres. Oy. Let's go, defense, offense. Ay na. Steal. Number 5. So Samson, running shot. Oh! At may sagot doon si Samson. Time out. Xavier, let's go. Isha score 13-7. Time out dito ang ating Xavier.
Ay, kailangan ni coach. Nice! Dre, take it strong, Dre. Walang ice, kailangan natin ng ice. Take it strong, Dre.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Bakit naman, ba?
DeAndre. Oh, bad pass. Oh, si Gray.
Agaw, Dre, oh.
Number 5. 10 seconds. 8, 7. Pressure, pressure. 6, 5, 3, 2. No foul. Oy, good defense. And that's the end of our first quarter. Fisher scored 13-7 in favor of the Ateneo.
Ice. Ang weird, walang yellow yung ano. Dapat meron.
Going to the second period. Let's go, Xavier. Let's go, Xavier. Bawi tayo sa second quarter. Kaya lahat na magiging adjustment ng ating team.
Let's go.
floater basket for DeAndre Yu. Defense. Let's go, let's go. Number 5.
Sige, Jermaine!
Number 2. Let's go.
Honesty, Trey! Honesty!
Hands up, hands up. 19 to number 2.
3 seconds!
And that's a 3 seconds violation.
Baba, tabi!
Erwin. Oh, trouble. Good.
Lapit ka sa bola dito! Hey, lapit lang! Harap, harap, harap! Jermaine, harap!
Let's go, Jerwin. Pass to Vincent. Vincent. Oy. Oh, that's a foul.
Baba, baba!
Let's go. 2 shots. Let's go, Andre. Second shot, miss. Yellow ball.
Nice one, Jacob!
Oh! Basket count and 1 for Jacob Yang. Ano po? 13-12. 1 point lead. Bonus shot, miss.
No foul, Trey, no foul!
Rebound. Let's go, defense. Oy, walang tawag, rebound. Oh, nakabawi ang Ateneo. Let's go, Andre to Jaco. Here comes Jaco, derecho, basket for Jaco. Pablik sa isa ang lamang ng Ateneo. Uli, good. Walang tawag. Good, go up. Yes, sir.
Make it strong, Trey! Make it strong!
Good defense for our savior. Let's go. Bola rito natin. Vincent, catch and shoot. No good. Let's go, defense. Number 2. Up and under. Wala. Rebound. Last touch. Blue ball. (15-14), 1 point lead. Let's go, bola rito ng Ateneo.
Cutter!
Uy, nakalusot. And 1. Takan tayo doon.
Jermaine, no allowance!
Let's go, defense.
Box out, Trey! Isa lang yan, Trey!
Basket is good.
Bound!
18-14. Let's go. Titus. Pass to DeAndre. Ayan na ang double team. That's a jump ball. Blue ball.
Yan din, throw it sa paa. Alis anas lang, Dre.
Samson. Kick out, fake. Number 2, running shot. Nakalusot ang Ateneo. DeAndre, you. Pass to Gray. Gray. Oh, steal. Number 1, basket. Time out. Xavier. Let's go. Bawi tayo dito, guys. Double team sa gilid. Trapping defense ang ginagawa ng Ateneo. 22-14. Tingnan natin ang magiging adjustment ni coach for this huddle. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Bawi tayo. Second time remaining. 6 minutes and 29 seconds. Let's go, Xavier. Titus.
Baba, Dre.
Ayun na si Titus. Gets a foul. DeAndre looking for his teammate. Pass to Titus. 4-3. Bang! Yes, sir. For Titus. Ayun na. Gusto makabawi. Number 1. Uy, nakabawi. Let's go, defense. Jago. Nagmamadali. Ayun na ang double team. Pass to DeAndre. To Titus. DeAndre. Spin, kick out, Titus, step back 3. Whoa! Back-to-back 3-point for Titus. Tang, with a step back 3. Let's go. Ayun na. Babasa 4 ang labang ng Ateneo. Number 13, miss, rebound by Brody. Pass to Jago. Jago with cross, pinunta sa gitna. Jago will recover. Pass to Titus. No good. Rebound. Ayun na ang Ateneo. Another steal. Ayun na, Titus. Uy! Wow! Ay! Sayang, munti ka na. What a fake. Napalakas lang ang tira doon si Titus. Ganda na nun, boy. Sayang, natigan na. Okay lang yan. Bawi tayo. Let's go. Bola rito natin. DeAndre. Pass to Titus. Titus. Walang tawag. Brody. No good. Oh, well, there's a contact. May foul lang tinawag. Jaco Yeng on the free throw area. 2 shots for Jaco. First shot, miss. Let's go, Jaco. Second shot for Jaco. Ayan na. Wala. Rebound. Oopsie. It's a foul. Number 11, that's Gray. Time out. Ateneo. Time remaining, 4 minutes and 24 seconds sa ating first half. 20-24. 4-point lead para sa Ateneo. Let's go. Let's go, Xavier. Let's go. Let's go, Xavier. Defense. Defense, defense. Ayun na. Ang set ni ang Ateneo. Number 9. Guys, sa corner, fake. Number 13. Oh, Samson. Strong drive. Gray. Oh, walang tawag. Ate referee. Let's go. Samson, block. Trans at Ravel. Good defense for DeAndre. Let's go. Let's go, Xavier. Titus. Oh, napalakas. Last touch. Blue ball. Time remaining 3 minutes and 26 seconds. Let's go, defense. Oy, munti ka na. Steal. Oy, miss. Rebound. Oh, sayang. Let's go, bawi. Number 15, kick out. Number 2. Pinagay sa corner. Number 9. Nakashoot ngayon. 28-20. Lumalaki na po ang kalamangan ng Ateneo. Let's go. Bawi tayo rito, guys. Ayun na, Titus. Let's go, Titus. DeAndre, munti ka na mabatawan. DeAndre, 6 seconds to shoot. Jacob, matakin, gets the foul. Good. Take time, Jacob. Let's go, Jacob. Time remaining 2 minutes and 27 seconds.
Take your time, Jacob.
Jacob Yang on the free throw area.
This one, Jacob.
First shot is good for Jacob. Let's go, second shot.
Box out!
Box out. Jacob, 2 for 2. Baba sa 6 ang lamang ng Ateneo. Huli, defense. Ayun na, number 5. Pass to Palma. Tingay sa corner, Torio, 4-3. No good, sorry. That's a...
Push!
Pass to Jago. Jago, derecho! Basket yan! Ayun na. Let's go! Uy, nakabawi ang Ateneo. 30-24. Ayun na, Jago again. Side step. Oh! And one! Basket count. And one. For Jago Yang. 1 minute and 35 seconds.
Di mo gumalaw yung bata!
Bonus shot for Jago Yang for a 3-point play. Let's go, Jago. Jago miss. Rebound ng Ateneo. Ayan na si Samson. Nagmamadali. Derecho. Gets the foul. Two shots. Let's go, box out. Basket for Samson.
Rebound! Uy, rebound!
Rebound by Julio. Uy! Okay lang yan. Okay lang. Bawi, bawi, bawi. Let's go, Julio. Bawi, 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 bawi. Let's go.
Bawi, Julio!
Uli. Uy. Too strong. Rebound. Julio with the rebound. Uy, still. Number 1. Ooh. Let's go, Xavier. Bawi tayo. Okay lang. Let's go, Xavier. Chico, nagmamadali. Chico. Pass to DeAndre. You. Pass to Julio. No good. Rebound. DeAndre. Bad pass. Steal. Ng Ateneo. Number 5. Hesi. Waiting for his teammate. Number 5. Pass to Samson. To number 21. Top of the key. Alcantara to number 1. 4-3. Oh!
Go, three, go hard!
3-point. You. Pass. Oh! Stepping on the line. Nakita yun ang ating referee. Let's go, Xavier. Last 6.2 seconds. Timeout. Xavier. Tingnan natin ang huddle dito ng ating team. Let's go, Xavier. Malaking bagay po ito para sa ating Xavier School for winning this matchup against the Ateneo. Nasa lalay po rito ang pagpasok natin sa semifinals. Good luck, boys. Kaya natin yan. Kaya natin yan. Let's go. Back to the ball game. Last 6 seconds.
No foul, ah.
Defense, defense. One stop for the first half. Let's go. Defense, no foul. Last 6 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 4-3. Short. At dito na po nagtatapos sa ating first half. Official score 36-26 at magbabalik tayo para sa second half. So go away. Magkakat po muna tayo for the meantime. Hanggang sa muli. Alright, back to the ball game. 26. Oh, let's travel. Let's go.
Yan na!
Outlet pass.
Hands up!
Bounce pass. Alcantara. No good. Oopsie. There's a foul. Pass. Steal. Samson. Floater. Miss. Rebound. Let's go, DeAndre. You. Uy, no good. Oh, bad pass. Let's go, defense. Samson. Fake. Uy, trouble. Alcantara. Miss. Rebound by Jago. Yang. Here comes Jaco. Running shot and one. Basket count and one for Jaco.
Nice one.
Basket for Jago. Let's go. Bal. Trap. Uy. Naka-recover. Gets the 3. Wala. Max out. Number 2 to number 11. Running shot. Blocked by Jago. Rebound by Evo. Let's go. Laga lang. Let's go, Andre. You. I pick up. Whoa! Nice move for Jago. Sorry, that's DeAndre. You. 36-31. Ayun na si number 2 na itawid.
Create something.
De Jesus
Create.
setting on the play.
Create.
Pass number 5. Binigay kay number 10. Number 10 to De Jesus. De Jesus. Kick out. Number 10 from the corner 3. Oy! And there's a foul.
Create something. Create. Sila mo. Create na alawan. Likod. Bakasyon na eh.
DeAndre fight to Titus.
Nice one.
Oh, there's a foul.
Tinira.
Two shots for Titus stand. Let's go, Titus. Second shot, miss. Ooh!
Bakit?
Dito mama daw po. (36-31). Let's go, defense! Oh, steal! Titus, bad pass! Last touch.
Tapik red ba? Red, tapik! 5 seconds!
Ayun na, Ateneo. Samson to number 11 for 3. Wala. Rebound. By Evo. Let's go, Andre. DeAndre. Running shot. No good. Rebound by Evo. Oh. Let's go, Jerwin. Go, let's go. Discarte. Pass to Julio. Sorry, that's Andre. Pass to Jacob. Setting on the play. Jacob. Oh, bad pass. Outlet pass to number 10. Oh, ayun na, nagagawan. Makuha rito ng Ateneo. Samson, too strong. Rebound by DeAndre. Let's go. Nice. Kaya mo yan, Andre. Uy. That's a traveling violation. Tinawag ng ating referee. Let's go, bawi. Oh, steal! Bounce pass. Oy, last pass. Oh, basket for Jago. Baba sa tatlo. Defense! Oy, napalakas. Here comes Samson. Messi looking for his teammate. Hands up! De Jesus, crossover. De Jesus! Oy, may foul. Let's go! Two shots for De Jesus. Wala. Let's go, defense, box out. Rebound, rebound. Box out, box out. Second shot for De Jesus on the free throw area. De Jesus, basket. Let's go, bawi, bawi. Jerwin. Pass to Jago. Jago. Pass to Gray. Gray, jump shot, short. Rebound ng Ateneo. Samson, running shot, no good. Rebound. Number 15, no good. Rebound by Jerwin. Pass to Brody. Pass to Jerwin. Jerwin to Brody. Let's go, Brody. Brody. Pass to... Ayun na, bounce pass. Gray! And one! Basket count. Plus a foul by Gray. Gagi. Ayan, shout out to si Daddy Gray. Daddy ni Gray. Let's go. Ayan na. Baba sa dalawang lamang. 4 minutes and 5 seconds. Let's go. Dalawa na lang ang hinahabol. Laban, Xavier. Let's go. Make one. Wala. Rebound. Laban, Xavier. Let's go. Ayan na. Number 5. Setting on the play. Defense. 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 Bigay sa corner. Number 17. Spin. Running shot. No good. Rebound by you. Good. Tara. Let's go. You. Tayo daw na sa ating fourth quarter, 41. 39. Let's go. Let's go, Xavier. Oh, there's a foul. Defense, number 1 for 3. Wala. Out of bound. Let's go, Xavier.
Last quarter, Dre, last quarter.
Last quarter tayo. 41-39. DeAndre Yu. Pass to Jerwin. To Jago. Let's go, Jago. Sidestep. Uy, walang tawag. Good, good. Ay na, nagagawan. There's a foul.
Watch for the traveling. Hindi natututo yung bata. Traveling.
Samson. Running shot. Oh, nakabawi ron si Samson. Tabla tayo sa 41.
Go, run it, run it, run it.
Pass to Jaco. Walang tawag. Titus. Pass to DeAndre. Oh! That's a trouble. Let's go, defense! Defense! Hands up, hands up! And Samson, bounce pass, number 16. Grabe naman yun. Oy, bad pass! Let's go, spin! Too strong, defense! Rebound! Let's go, Vincent! Pass to Jago. Let's go, Jago. Jago nagpapadali, binigay. Titus, 4-3. Too strong. What a save. Makakuha. Ni Gray. Gray, step back to. No. Rebound ng Ateneo. Outlet pass. Number 2. Time out. Xavier. 7 minutes and 29 seconds. 45. 41. Let's go, Xavier.
Salbahe ka.
Apat lang yan, guys. Let's go. Bounce back. Di pa tapos ang laban. Mahaba-haba pa ito. Riley! Riley!
Pressure bata. Pressure bata.
Let's go! Defense! Offense! 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 Let's go! Bawi tayo dito. Let's go, Gray! Pass to DeAndre. Oh, there's a foul! Seven minutes and 18 seconds. DeAndre to pass to Titus. Titus.
Hand up, play, hand up.
Titus, di diskarte. Pass to DeAndre. Bounce pass. Evo, spin. Evo, miss. Rebound by DeAndre. And gets a foul. DeAndre to Titus. Titus. Jago gets the shot short. Oy. Offensive foul.
Hey, last 7 minutes, let's go.
Let's go, Samson. Running shot, miss, rebound, let's go. You, Andre with a spin. Let's go, Andre. Running shot. Oh, no good. Rebound na Ateneo. Outlet pass. Samson nagmamadali. Oh, trouble. That's a traveling violation. Let's go. Five minutes and 54 seconds. Gray. Let's go, Gray. Uy! That's a lift-in violation according sa ating official. Bola nito ng Ateneo. Defense! Defense! Oy! Backcourt! Huli! Nakarig over. Bigay sa corner. 4-3. Backs out! Backs out! Uy! Number 10! Oy! Let's go, bawi! Let's go! Xavier! Laban! Oh, steal! Samson! Miss! Ano? Hindi ang labas! Kapil! Walang tawag ang ating referee. Time out, Xavier. 49-41. Grabe yun. Let's go.
Baba, Dre, baba!
Titus.
Uy!
Oh, bad pass. Let's go. Bawi, bawi. Defense. Four minutes and 40 seconds. Defense. Let's go. Huli. De Jesus. Walang tawag. Steal. Let's go, Gray. Gray nagmamadali. Derecho. Oy! Rebound. Ni Samson. Samson to number 15. Oh, wala. Rebound. Samson na naman. Oh, but let's go. Ay na. Titus. Gustong makabawi. Alaro steal for Ateneo. Number 1. Wala. De Jesus. Wala pa rin. Makuha na pa rin ni De Jesus. Number 10 to Samson. De Jesus from elbow. Short. What a save. Uy! Wala pa rin. Rebound. Let's go, Jago. Pass to Titus. Titus. Derecho. Running shot. Miss.
Second!
Ay na. Uy! It's a foul. Walang tawag. And there's a foul. Short. Good defense. Box out, box out. Let's go. Time remaining 3 minutes and 4 seconds. Oy, good. Rebound by Brody. Let's go. Gray sidestep. Oh, in and out. Rebound by number 1. Defense. Pass to number 1. Hesse. Running shot. Wala. Rebound by Jago. Let's go, Jago. Yours na. Jago, sidestep. Too strong. Rebound. Makuha. Is Samson. Last 2 minutes. Pinasa loob. Bad pass. Yellow ball. I'm out. One minute and 53 seconds remaining. 41-41, 10-point lead for Ateneo. Back to the ball game. Time remaining 1 minute and 53 seconds. Hindi pa tapos ang laban. Laban lang. Xavier. Mahaba-haba pa to. 10 ang lamang ng Ateneo. Let's go, Xavier. Ayun na. Sino tatanggap? Number 5. Cross-court pass. Number 10 to number 15. 4-3. No good. Rebound. Samson spin. Offensive foul. Timeout. Xavier. Back to the ball game.
Okay, let's go. Last 2 minutes. Last 1 minute.
1 minute and 26 seconds. Let's go. DeAndre. Oh! That's a 5 seconds violation. Oh my. Defense! Let's go! Defense! Ayun na. Number 13. Bounce pass. Running shot. Oh!
Baba, Dre, baba! Baba, Dre!
Jago.
Uy!
Oh, bad pass. Last 51 seconds.
Tanong sa akin, Aching niya. Nachingin niya na ro. Kapatid ko, nachingin niya na ro. Punta ang bobo ng coach niyo.
Jump shot. Wala. Rebound by Jago.
Baba, Dre, baba.
Last 23 seconds. Titus 4-3. No good. Rebound by Brody. Brody and gets the foul. The shots for Brody.
Kanina pa 41 yun. Oo, kanina pa tayo 41. Ito pa yung 41, hindi tayo nakashoot. O yan na, 43 na.
At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. What a good game from both teams. Congratulations and nice game to our Xavier School. Congratulations, Ateneo, winning this game. Our final score, 53-42. Ayan. Hindi, maraming pong salamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta ng ating live, especially to our Xavier School. Ayan, sila Ma'am China Ong, Sir Erwin Tan, Ma'am Aline Yu, ayan, Sir Derek Yu, and the rest. Ayan, sila Sir Jasper Yeng, Ma'am Ivy, Coach T.Y. Tang, and Gisa Tang, si Ma'am Gisa Tang, and the rest of the team. Ayan, nandito sila. Sila Sir Gray, the Gagi, ayan, the Mami, and Sir nila yung Julio.
Riley!
And syempre, nandiyan din sila sila Brandon,
Dre. Job.
the Kyoto. Ayan. And to the team. Ayan, si Ko din. Hanggang sa muli, magkita-kita po tayo for our next live. Unfortunately, we lost this game. Magkita-kita po tayo for our next live. Hanggang sa muli, and God bless everyone. Keep safe.